Alright, there we go. So, just got back from having surgery today, and they pumped me full of morphine, which is a good thing. So, I want to show you what it looks like. Well, I actually want to see what it looks like, so this is to help keep the everything nice and tight. So we'll see what it looks like. What they did is they went in, ooh, sore, and they repaired a hernia in my navel. Uh-oh, blood. So anyway, if you're squeamish about blood and stuff, I suggest that you turn this off, but let's go ahead and check out what it looks like. They had me, whew, I'm telling you, that morphine really some good stuff. But anyway, so this is what it looks like, if you want to see. I'm going to take a look at it also at the same time. Wow. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but anyways. Here it is. Ooh. Wow. That's, that looks a lot worse than I thought it was going to look. So they went in and sutured up my abs that have been ripped, and they for 2 weeks I won't be able to do really anything. I can't even lift 10 pounds. So my American Ninja Warrior training is on hold for a little bit. But now I won't have the pain in my abs that I have been having. So in a matter of just 8 weeks, my abs should be repaired. And well, that's kind of on the gross side. And I should be able to train. I know, right, Wendy? Ouch. So I should be able to train and get my abs and be able to train for the American Ninja Warrior and all that stuff. So anyways, that's what an umbilical hernia repair looks like. That's been done laparoscopically just hours after it's been done. They glued it shut and they put some other stuff around it, so there's no sutures on the outside, and the glue that they use will actually fall or come off over the next couple weeks. So anyways, that's my surgery, and this is going to be a Netflix weekend. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great weekend, and naval umbilical surgery hernia repair.